We are pleased to show you 2015 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: engine immobilizer, body color door handles, Bluetooth, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, cargo cover, cargo net, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.